Please allow me first to express my congratulations and gratitude for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and also UNWTO for this important gathering. Important gathering is the purpose of this summit. It's important because the tourism is preparing for recovery and collaborating with all the members of the UNWTO is a very important moment for this important industry. Today we have discussed how we can cooperate with other members to ease the travel, because easing the travel and the mobility of the tourists is the priority number one. All the countries have been investing in health and safety, are working on appropriate protocol for a cautious restart, but moreover it's important that all the people all over the world understand easily what are the protocols, so there is an emergency to coordinate these processes between different regions in the world. And the other purpose was to hear about optimism on the future of tourism, but also the main priority to transform this industry. Taking care first of people, because it's a human-to-human industry, but also understanding what the crisis brings to reality and take care of sustainability, promoting rural tourism and alternative form of tourism. It's also encouraging for the operators in the industry and the investors that all the governments are taking care and supporting this industry. In Morocco, we have a full and comprehensive program for professionals of the tourism. We've been supporting since March 2020 all the enterprises in the sector, giving them direct subsidies for the employees. The objective is that they save at least 80% of the jobs. We also give support through guaranteed loans, important, I would say, liquidity for the entreprise. And moreover, we are doing a lot of reform, but also we set up a new investment fund to support, consolidate the sector, but also encourage entrepreneurs to be interested in many other activities in the value chain of this sector.